My name is Khadija Ali Wahli Umar. I'm a student at Somali International University, Faculty of Health Science, Department of Medical Lab Science. I am one of English learners at the SIU Center. I have started this program on 5th July in 2018 and I still continue. I would like to complete, inshallah. I want to encourage you to start English skills as soon as possible because I believe English is a key of everything. So I'm saying to you, welcome with open hands, and I want to thank SIU. I'm saying thank you SIU to bring this program.
My name is Faisal Abdulhakim Mohammed. I study Faculty of Agriculture, Department of Agriculture and Environmental Science. Thanks for Somali International University SIU to give us a big opportunity to learn for this program. It was difficult for me to do a research and also to communicate with foreign people. But today I'm convinced myself to communicate with foreign people, and also I have ability to do research. I'm encouraging for other students to join us. Thanks Somali International University SIU.
I study Faculty of Science and ELT Program at the Somali International University SIU. In this program I started July 2018. There is a lot of differences in my life. The reason I'm learning this language is to develop my language skill and to be a person who can share thoughts and education with the other people. In this opportunity, I'm thanking to SIU for the reason of bringing in this program and this opportunity. Other students don't have a problem or better language. I'm encouraging them to welcome this program and join with us. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Harun Ali Musa. I study Faculty of Health Science, Department of General Medicine and Surgery. As medical student, our university gives us a chance to go abroad in academic exchange program. That is why to join this program. This program is a greatest helpful program because it enhances ability of speaking English language, and also it makes our self-confidently according to how we present. We boost our knowledge of English language. So come and join this program of SIU English program. Thank you.